In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the British pound as it's realizing a second day of selling pressure today. We're seeing quite a range today as far as price movement in the British pound. Really not down that much on the session, but it is lower relative to the other major equity index futures markets, which several of them are higher today, with the British pound still under break even for the day, but well off the lows. We did see an intraday low of 1.3198, and that's the lowest level in basically 11 months. Currently hovering right around the 1.329 levels. So we are seeing it coming off those lows, but still down on the session. And I think when you look at the driving factors today, a couple of things. Number one, certainly the uncertainty surrounding the Omicron variant continue to create some volatility across various asset classes. But we're also getting quite a reaction to the Fed testimony today on Capitol Hill, where it appears that the central bank, the Federal Reserve, will start to increase the tapering of the asset purchases based on what they're seeing currently, and caught the market a little off guard, and quite a reaction, as I mentioned, across not only the currency markets but other asset classes as well. But a big move in the British pound futures today in reaction to those two narratives. Now, when you look at the British pound futures, as I mentioned, they are hitting a 11-month low intraday here today. So we are continuing to see this downward pressure in the British pound futures. But contrary, it's interesting, the US dollar index is actually lower today. And if you look at the euro and the yen, both of those are stronger on the session. So we are seeing dispersion here, with the British pound still realizing downward pressure, where the other currencies or other major FX futures markets are finding a little bit of a bid today.